Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. This has a 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo EcoBoost paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go inside here. I mean, this thing is loaded with features. You have your power locks and your memory seats, your power windows, your 12-speaker stereo system, panoramic sunroof. This thing has built-in navigation and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have your climate control down here with heated and vented seats, your heated steering wheel, and dual climate. You have your trailer backup assist with your integrated brake controller. Right here, for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you have your USB connects and wireless charging. You have your gear shift right here, electronic gear shift. And here's your drive mode select. You have 2 high, 4 out automatic, 4 low, and then rear locking differential. It's your parking sensors off and on, and this is your parking assist. Helps you parallel park and perpendicular park. Here, up here, you have your lane assist, your automatic start stop, your camera system. There we go. We have a 360 camera system front. Put it in reverse here, we backup camera. And there's a little button on the side here, this driver's seat. You have massage driver and passenger seats. It's pretty cool. All your Bluetooth and cruise control settings. Now this Expedition has 55,461 miles. It's been well taken care of, is in great shape. I mean, it has a long life left ahead of it. Let's go back here and look in the back here. Behind each headrest, you have a DVD player, captain heated seats, and of course your climate and your charging ports. There's your third row. With plenty of room to move around. A remote start, hands-free lift gate. Still quite a bit of room back here too, even with the third row up. But if you need more room, right here, your third and second row, automatic down, and the third row comes up as well. I mean, this thing is loaded. Like I said, it's well taken care of. Comes in a shadow black. We have these 22-inch polished aluminum forward wheels. '18 Ford Expedition Platinum Max.